From the year 1800 to the present day, the evolution of the industry has been incredibly significant. At this time, new technologies are transforming industrial production, and the sector must evolve to adapt to this development and continue to be competitive. Universal Robots and SICK offer the industry a valuable automation opportunity to improve its processes, satisfying the needs and requirements of the client with customized solutions. In the factory of the future, the main asset will continue to be people. Robots work for humans, minimizing their intervention in repetitive, dangerous tasks, or tasks involving high physical effort, leaving those of greater added value to operators, promoting their creativity, and allowing the industry to take great strides towards the future.
The collaborative robots of Universal Robots have revolutionized industrial robotics by providing really incredible benefits. They are light, flexible, and they can operate in any production environment. They are easy to program thanks to a highly intuitive touch interface and programming by learning. With SICK sensors, added benefits include efficiency and safety, allowing the industrial sector to automate any manufacturing process and be more competitive.
At SICK, we've spent years manufacturing devices aimed at Industry 4.0, from artificial vision equipment to automatic identification, smart sensors, and safety equipment. Our reader enables identification by reading the barcode of different product and informs the robot of their subsequent classification.
The robots at Universal Robots have 15 safety functions, all of which are certified by TÜV Nord. By using these functions in accordance with the risk assessment necessary for each application, we can reach a point where safety barriers are not required, meaning highly compact facilities can be obtained. At this facility, we have used these safety functions to limit the workspace of the tool within a cube. In addition, using the strength limitation function, in the event of entrapment, the robot will be stopped automatically. By incorporating SICK's microscan, we have achieved a reduction in the robot's speed, meaning when it nears an operator, it can work at a lesser speed.
SICK offers a wide range of vision devices. These devices provide assistance in positioning, inspection, and measurement tasks. In this application, we believe the Inspector PIM60 is the perfect solution for part position recognition tasks.
In this application, the UR10 robot is able to recognize the position and orientation of parts thanks to the data sent by the SICK camera. Programming is performed using a plugin developed by SICK and integrated within our Universal Robot Plus platform, which is easier to use and which means less time is required for programming and launch.
Join the smart industry. Let's build the future together.